Hello, friends. Hope that you are all doing well and keeping yourself safe. Yet, unfortunately, passing through a crucial time to be tested and to win over the current situation, especially after COVID 19. To extend some relief, we are constantly doing our best to share some of our fascinating and informative videos with unfolded mysteries of nature and history of the world. Today, in this special edition of Nature's Beauty, we shall tell you that the flowers have also traveled many miles to be beside you, for which we might have never felt grateful. So let us give some minutes to watch and know about the journey of few flowers which we commonly relate to our daily social life. Our beloved rose, which is a symbol of love and respect. You would agree that it is titled as the Queen of Flowers. According to fossil evidence, it would be around 35 million years old, having about 150 species spread throughout the northern hemisphere from Alaska to Mexico, including northern Africa. Garden cultivation of roses began some 5000 years ago, probably in China. Later, during the Roman period, roses were grown extensively in the Middle East. Quite simply, Rosa is termed as its botanical name. For us, it is very useful for the purpose of making ornaments, medicines, perfumes, infused in food and beverages, pest control, and presented as offerings to God, including much more importance in our life when it comes to showing our love. Who knows better to shine with grace, even in a dull, muddy world, than the lotus, symbolizing the sun? For India, it is the national flower and also the logo of one of its leading political party. Lotus have originated from southern parts of Asia and Australia, but also found in aquatic cultures throughout the world. They are well regarded in many different cultures, especially in Eastern religions, as a symbol of purity, enlightenment, self-regeneration and rebirth. We worship the Hindu goddess Lakshmi sitting or standing on a lotus. And according to Ramayana epic, Rama embraced to please Ma Durga with 108 lotuses before going for battle with Ravana. The botanical name of lotus is Nelumbo nucifera, not so simple as it was for rose. Next one is hibiscus. Especially the red hibiscus is flower presented to worship the Hindu goddess Kali and finds itself frequently in the arts of Bengal in India. It is also used as an offering to Lord Ganesha in the Hindu culture. Though their exact origin is unknown, but it is believed that hibiscus has been cultivated in China, Japan, and Pacific Islands for a long time. They are used for landscaping, tea, food, medicine, and for paper making as well. Another flower, the marigold, is also known as Ganda in India, and it is the integral part of Indian festivals and religious ceremonies. It will be a real surprise to learn that marigold originated in Mexico and have been in India for over 350 years. The botanical name of marigold is Tagetes patula. The historic marigold was regarded as the flower of the dead in pre-Hispanic Mexico, parallel to the lily flower in Europe, and even in the current times it is widely used on the Day of the Dead celebrations. But in India, cultivation of marigold, that is Ganda, is extensively seen in Telangana, Andhra, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Karnataka and Uttar Pradesh states. Due to abundance and comparatively cheaper price, it is used in garlands and decoration for weddings, festivals and religious events. At last, now the flower of fragrance, jasmine. Lord Krishna was fond of aromatic flowers like jasmine, mogra, tuberose, etc. Also used to decorate the jhula, that is swing, for little Krishna, especially during Janmashtami, the birthday of Hindu Lord. The name is derived from Persian name Yasamin, meaning the gift from God. Jasmines are native to tropical and subtropical regions of Eurasia, Australasia, and Oceania. There are around 200 species of jasmine. Jasmine is used to treat liver disease, that is hepatitis, liver pain due to cirrhosis, and abdominal pain due to severe diarrhea or dysentery, and in cancer treatment as well. Also used for relaxation as a sedative. Jasminum is the botanical name of this flower of fragrance. It is Mogra species famously found in India. So, now perhaps you must have understood that nothing belongs to a particular sect of people or any geographic borders. Rather, nature has showered with abundance of beauty and senses for the entire creatures of the globe. Let us show our gratitude to nature for its kind and untiring supply in abundance.